Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. This is a class 12th. Today we will learn 100 daily use English sentence. These sentence will help you speak English in daily life. Repeat after me, speak loudly and clearly. Let's start. Daily use 100 sentences. First sentence. How are you? I'm fine. What is your name? My name is Rahul. Where are you from? I'm from India. What are you doing? I'm studying. Where are you going? I'm going home. Please sit down. Stand up. Come here. Go there. Listen to me. Look at this. Wait for me. Speak slowly. Please repeat. I do not understand. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. What day is today? Today is Monday. What is the date today? Today is 8 March. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. No, I am free. Let's start. Let's go. Let's eat. Let's study. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am happy. I am sad. Don't worry. Be careful. Good job. Well done. Keep trying. Try again. Do not be late. Hurry up. Slow down. Stop here. Move forward. Turn right. Turn left. Open the door. Close the window. Bring water. Take this. Give me that. Show me. Tell me. Call me later. Send me a message. I will come tomorrow. I will call you later. I will help you. I will try. I will learn English. I went to school. I saw him yesterday. I meet my friend. I completed my work. I watched a movie. I like this. I do not like this. This is a good. This is bad. That is interesting. That is amazing. That is difficult. This is easy. That is important. That is correct. That is wrong. I agree with you. I do not agree. Maybe you are right. I am not sure. Let me think. Give me some time. It's okay. No problem. That's fine. Thank you. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. See you later. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Practice this sentence daily. Speak them loudly and clearly. If you practice every day, your English will improve quickly. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Comment class 13 for the next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.